What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own soldering iron. So let's get started. Okay, so here are all the parts that we need. First of all, we need a 12-volt battery as well as 2 jumper wires with alligator clips. We also need a metal pipe. Anything similar to this would work, as well as some solder. And finally, we need some graphite lead, which you can get from a graphite pencil. Okay, so first of all, you want to remove one alligator clip from one of your wires, then you want to run the wire through your metal pipe. After that, you want to use your pliers to bend the end of the metal pipe tight on the alligator clip. Okay, so now you could reattach that alligator clip back on your wire. After that, you want to wrap your metal pipe with some electrical tape to help insulate it. Okay, so now that you're done wrapping your pipe with some electrical tape, you want to clip a graphite lead onto the alligator clip of your soldering iron, and after that we could start connecting our soldering iron to the battery. So you want to connect the wire from your soldering iron to one of the battery terminals, and you want to connect the other terminal to your solder using a jumper wire. And now, you're pretty much done. So let's go ahead and see it in action. So as you can see, your soldering iron should work great, but please be careful not to burn yourself when using it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.